Today we're going to look at a simple tool that can help you if you're building loads without using an automated load builder. Our tool uses Bing Maps, and it's an effective way of looking at your loads and building multi-stop loads from your data. So the first thing we're going to do is bring in our loads for today. So we have our loads file. This is CSV. We'll bring that in. The data is brought in, displayed here in this table, and also displayed over here using sequence numbers. The sequence numbers match up over here in our table. Our initial, we don't have any mileages yet because we don't have any directions. So the next thing we're going to do is ask the system to get directions for the 18 loads that we have to get out here today. Once we have directions, system comes back. It provides us with mileage. It tells us what the total mileage is if we were going to do point-to-point load. So our total mileage is little over 3,200. And then we can see our little blue lines. If we move our table out of the way a little bit, we can see on our blue lines how our loads are going to be processed, and from this we can see how we can easily make multi-stop loads out of these loads. We can look at the data that's provided to us in our table here. So we know here load number 3 has 15,000 pounds. Load number 8 has 10,000 pounds, and load number 1 out here has 20,000 pounds. So we can combine those. So we can move load number 1 and say, hey, okay, stop in Crawfordsville, and also load number 1, I want you to stop in Indianapolis. And now we can say in load number 3, okay, you're going to be stop number 2 for sequence 1. And load number 8, you're going to be excluded 2, and you're going to be stop number 1 on sequence number 1. And now when we look at our total mileage, we can see we've now got a difference. We've got 3,214 miles was our original miles, and now we've reduced our mileage by 255 miles. We can see other synergies on here. For instance, let's take a look at we have load number 15, load number 5, and load number 17. These look like items we can join together. If we bring our line out here for load number 17, make sure our load number 17 also stops at point number 15 here. Let's do a better job. And now we can exclude number 5, so we can exclude 5, and we can say stop number 5 is now this is now stop 1 on sequence 17, and we can exclude 15 and make this stop 2 on sequence 17. You can see, so we can go through each of our loads, and we can reduce our number of miles. Here we've managed to just touch on a couple of loads, and we've reduced our mileage by 460. And you can see many more synergies on here. With the mapping tool, it becomes very clear on what is synergistic, and the tool also provides you with little data and access to some notes so that can help you build it. You can include the item back again if you want to start all over again, and it will recreate the map as it was before. To work with this tool or any of the tools which are logistics tools which show information via maps, give us a call. You can reach us at 561-571-BLUE, or you can email info@skybluelogistics.com.